put your mic on and let's applaud our champion today who passed our...
Congratulations, Michael.
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations.
Congratulations, Michael.
Thanks, everyone.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thanks a lot.
Go and put it down.
Thanks a lot.
Congrats.
Just a second. I will put all the microphones off. And Michael, now you speak with them. Tell them how your experience was and how you're feeling now, so that they are motivated to carry on like you, because I know you worked very hard on your quiz and everything, and you got your results. And I'm very, very happy. May God bless you and also give you success all the time. Having said that, let them know your experience so they'll know that they have hope. Prego, Michael, to you the word.
All right, good evening, everybody. As normal, it's your boy, Micheal, and OKOSUN, you understand? My people, I shouldn't speak that much English because I don't want to over stress it. I want to come to the local way, you understand?
You can speak your local English. You speak your local.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to calm down. Yeah, see, my people, the thing not just really be like the way we dey stand to build. You see, when I got there, I was shocked. For real, I shocked. People like he can. I don't know what she's waiting for, because those kind of people are supposed to kind of go. Like the other man again, they are almost two to go, because all these classes we have been receiving, when you get there, it's like it's a broad knowledge for us. It's exposing. It might not even be the question that you might be expecting, but the question you will still see will be very, 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 very easy for you, because why? You have been far taught. Now, my experience was that before I went inside, it is actually a coach, not just a teacher. It's a coach. That is Mr. Ambrose. Because why? A coach will tell you the unforeseen, not just teaching you also. He will say, in case it happened like this and whatever, the unforeseen will tell you. And that is what he did to me. You understand? It was not really like, he told me the level I am. I have enough, look at the word now. He said the level I am. I have enough knowledge to be able to do the exam. That word, I took it, and I was still having another question I wanted to ask. He told me also, he said I should not concentrate on what I did not know or what is confusing me. I took the word. But if I have interest, I should call him and tell him so that he explain it to me. I did not call him again because I took the word, because it's not important. Then he told me it's between me and the screen. You see, when I got there, I should face it like that. And there are other things I should not tell you now, because we will tell you yourself. So because of this, I want to tell you, don't think you are wasting your time here, because actually you are actually buying time. With little time from now, I did spend up to 2 months here. Mr. Ambrose can testify. I did not spend up to 2 months.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes,
so
yes.
I expect you people should be able to know also. It's like that. We can get it. Just put your mind and go. It's more easier than what we are doing here every day. And I also want to use this medium to encourage all the married women with kids and all that are here, that they are really doing a perfect job, because I think I'm trying to even persuade my wife to join, but she don't even. For you people to be here, it's an applaud, because your stress is even more than our own. I want you to go to work and come back and all that to do that. But you do almost everything that has to do with the work at home. Thanks a lot. I'm really grateful. And if you have any question, you can ask me. I will tell you how it goes. But
Yes, please ask.
Experience.
Thank you, Michael. What you said was perfect. You didn't say more or didn't say less than what you should, because I hope all the things, besides the knowledge that I gave and whatever, the most important thing was to keep your mind in control and keep it peaceful, because I know there is enough knowledge to pass very easily. So that's why I said, don't focus on what you don't know, focus on what you know, and you know you'll pass. But I'm very happy. And that is, since I'm a brain trainer, my job is not just, I'm a linguist, okay, I know the languages. It's easy to know language, anybody can. But to teach is not everybody's business. And to teach in such a way that regardless of how much you're educated or how much you are not educated, I don't depend upon your brain. As long as you follow the instructions, you will succeed. Whether you like it or not, you will succeed. So that is very good. Anybody has questions, please ask Michael. He has gone through the lane. He knows the road. He can tell you. Tell me, Blessing, ask your question. Bindu, did you understand anything what Michael said? Bindu?
Yes, can you
It's
hear
not
me? Good
clear to me.
evening.
That's the reason I
Good
was
evening.
calm.
What, excuse me, Bindu, what?
I didn't understand clearly. That's the reason I'm calm.
Yeah, this is the local English of Africa. Which
Okay, sorry, I actually, okay, now I will be talking on the normal English now. I was trying to simplify it so that I shouldn't be too fine-tuned for everybody. Okay, but now you will understand from now, okay? If I'm too fast, I will break it down, okay?
No, not a problem. But I didn't get some words.
Now you will get it. You will get everything. Like I said, people like for me, for the days I've been here, people that I was looking up to be honest with you, they have gone. That's to tell you. Now I'm telling you about two people that I really know, or three. He came, this Bindu and Victor. Victor have not really gone far, but he can really go far where that man, that is advanced. So if you put those kind of people, they will go. Then the rest of them have to do more quiz and do many things and also go. Then I have a friend also, though she doesn't know me, on Blessing like that. So it's like that. So everybody here, we are all together. So you can ask your question. I want to tell you, my reason of talking this evening is because to let you know, I didn't know it more than you. Especially somebody like that, Ikem. I don't think I know more than that, Ikem. No. You see? So I'm telling you my medal. So I think we are close. Then every other person that came newly, it's not by time that you spent. It's the Z that you put. Now it was given to everybody. They said we should do at least 7 quiz every day. I don't know how many how many number of people that have actually keyed to that stuff. For me, I've been doing it. And I was called from my school. They gave me 3 days if I'm ready to take a space of somebody, if I'm ready for an exam. And I said yes. And I got it. Not that I was really ready to do exam. You get it? They called me. They said, they have a space. Are you ready? Will you do? I said yes. They said without an earpiece, Bluetooth. I said yes. And I told them, Mr. Ambush, and he told me, yes, you can do it. That is what he will tell you also, because he know a day or two before the day of the exam, he know what he will tell you, that you will pass the exam, which I cannot tell you now. I'm telling you the truth. Oh.
It's good that you know that you should not tell them now. Very good, Michael. What you said was perfect. I think we have enough time to answer the questions of the other sisters.
I have a question to ask. Good evening, my brother. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Congratulations once again. I'm so happy for you. I saw your.
They're talking now, my friend.
Yeah, good evening. Sorry, I actually have one question to ask you. You get?
Okay.
So I heard that in exam class, in exam hall, you know, they have this like the people that is working around there. So my question is, for example, maybe the question that fits for you, can you actually ask them question like maybe this time you don't know him, you don't know this guy. Can you actually ask
No. Before you start, no, it's not allowed. Before you start, they will explain to you that you cannot ask questions. The only question you can ask is before you own it. And that question you should ask, Mr. Ambrose will tell you before you enter. That is how you put your code fiscale and enter through the computer if you are not really conversant with the use of the computer. So Mr. Ambrose will tell you.
I will guide you all. I will guide each and every one of you. Every one of you will get a one-to-one teaching with me a night before and the day in the morning.
That's what I said. Mr. Ambrose will tell them. I know. That's what I told them now.
Okay, great.
Right, thank you so much. Thank
Victoria, what is your question? Victoria, you're next.
Okay, congratulations, our board. I don't know
Thank you, ma. Michael.
my question is, how many people are you in the room?
We were 10.
10 people.
Yes, I was number 9.
Ah, okay. Let's say
I'm the only Nigeria.
no, I'm a Ghanaian.
No,
I
he was the only
Nigerian.
he was the only Nigerian 10 people. He was the only one person of Nigeria.
Oh, nice. Okay, I want to know this. Do you get help from the rest of the people inside the room? Maybe you are finding some difficulties. You say in Africa when you are doing exams, oh my friend, I don't understand.
No, it does not work that way.
Okay.
Victoria, you're asking if you
are with your screen. The computer is your friend,
not
okay. The person beside you.
You can't speak to your other people first of all. You can't talk to the people.
No, that is what I just said.
You can't
computer.
You can't cheat. And you know why you should not cheat? Because the person next to you doesn't have the same questions as you. Don't be foolish.
I know. It's just like jam.
It's
different jam in Nigeria. Oh,
okay.
Sorry. Yeah, I said Nigeria. It's Ghana.
Ambrish, please, is the question is not the same. It's
no. Just like jam in Nigeria.
Oh.
And jam, they don't have the same questions. It's different.
It's the same question we give to all of them.
No.
We all of us, Michael, we all know that Victoria has intention of copying other people. That's what
yeah. Malpractice. It's called malpractice in English. Examination malpractice.
Okay, but no, you shouldn't do that, Victoria, because it's dangerous. You will fail if you copy somebody else. He will pass and you will fail because he has another question. You don't have the same question. Your number 5 is not the same as his number 5. So don't look at your neighbor left, right, front, behind. They all have other questions. Okay. Thank you. Violet, what is your question, Violet?
So what I wanted to ask, Victoria already asked the question. She said if they sit together, so that is what my question is. And secondly, if the question is the same, and she said you guys said no, the question is not the same. God will guide us all sharp.
No. You already have, like I said a coach. You have a coach.
It's just your faith. If you can close your mind and focus. You understand? Fingers are not simple. You just have to focus on what you're going through.
Let me tell you.
And secondly, I respect this guy just now that passed the exam. He said most people here have children, and which is very, very true. And I respect him for that just now. It's not difficult for taking care of children at the end, coming here to sit down, do some kind of thing.
Of course, very difficult.
Or go back. So I really appreciate you for
kids.
that. It's not easy. Thank you very much.
Okay. Even Michael took his classes with his children around him playing, just like all you ladies. So don't think the life of a father is easier than that. Okay, of course, women have other things to do, but sometimes you see Victor's kids are always around him. Victor also is a very good father. Michael is a very good father. The kids are jumping on him all the time, but they still take their classes. I watch what is happening.
Please, Mr. Victor should go ahead with this Z. I have not seen him. Mr. Victor.
He's here. He's listening.
Yes, I can hear you. Congratulations, my brother. I've heard you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, with more regards, I appreciate you so much because you are an elderly man to me. So I appreciate your Z and everything because I know when you joined. I joined before you, just like a week or more, like that. Then I've seen your growth also. You understand? So your drive is very strong. If you continue with this drive, I tell you, before you know, you have gotten it. It's just very close. It's very close now.
Exactly.
And don't be afraid to follow up with when Mr. Ambush explained the process of booking for an exam. Book for it. It don't come that same day. Before it comes, you grow your knowledge. And I tell you, a week, 2 days too. There are some things he will tell you and some things he will explain to you. You will pass your exam without errors. I will not lie to you.
Thank you very much. Most appreciated.
All right.
Thank you. Lillian, what is your question, Lillian?
Yes, I want to talk to the man that just got
Yeah, tell him. He's listening. Ask him. Ask him.
All right, Sister Lillian. Good evening, ma.
Good evening, sir. First of all, congratulations. I'm really happy for you.
Thanks a lot.
And what was
Please,
it?
I want to ask one question.
You're welcome.
Ask a question.
You're welcome. I'm listening.
For the exam.
Your mic is off. Say, Lily, your mic is off.
Your mic is off. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Is it only this quiz class that you attended, or you later went for the school to study there? Or you studied in school before then? Only this quiz. That is all I really want to know.
It was this quiz. It was this quiz, like I told you. Have you, if you, okay, I want to, before I will answer that question, I will ask a question. Have you registered as a normal student of AmbrishQuickPatente?
Okay, for in this place?
Yes. Yes,
Yes, I'm still on the process. I'm still on the process.
They register. If you register, you will not ask this question that you are asking now, because there are some things he will tell you. He will send you some things and all that, give you some material. He call it materials. Then you will know that you will not ask this question.
Okay.
That's correct. The moment you take the admission, you receive from us things that enhance you speed up your process of learning.
Exactly.
Some things you need to learn by heart. Some things you need to learn with me. So these are things I give you beforehand. So you have all the tools in your hand to be ready for the battle. And then you keep coming back. Don't miss a single class. And do, like also I said and Michael said, at least 7 skeda of quiz per day, and your success is guaranteed. Okay, but then I am there to take care of the rest. You just do your job and I'll do mine. And you see
7 skeda a day within a month, you are ready.
Okay. All right, Lillian, if you don't have any questions, Michael will let you go. Otherwise, I will have to take these people past now. So Bill, thank you very much, Michael. You really have given us a lot of enthusiasm. And I'm sure.
Right, thanks a lot, everybody. Thanks a lot.
Merci. One last question, Merci.
Okay.
Merci, what is your question?
Hello, brother. Good evening.
I was waiting for you, Sister Merci.
Congratulations once more.
Thank you, ma.
So I was about to ask, because what you said before, that you are the one to book yourself. That is what I wanted to ask. You said you have to book yourself. You want to write exam. Am I the one to do that myself, or is
that is something
that you said you are ready for the exam? Or what?
No. You will have to. What I was saying about that is, some people are good enough, but they are still skeptical. Like they are still afraid. You understand? Now, if you actually follow the rules that Mr. Ambrish is telling you, then you will be able to maybe start the process that I also explained to you of writing the exam. When you start it, I said the exam don't come the same day. Then you will not tell him, before they will give you you will not tell him, and the date is always long. When you tell him, if you tell him, he will not.
Like how long they will give before you write the exam?
I think about a month, 2 months, like that.
Okay. Merci.
Before you can write the exam?
Yes, about 2 months. Depends.
Please, excuse me. Merci, I will guide you when you're ready. I'll tell you what step you need to take. Right now,
he will tell you.
You need to focus, and I'll tell you exactly, do this now, go to this person. I'll tell you how to take the date. Don't worry, okay?
He will tell you.
All right. Thank you, Michael. I wish you all the best. And you know that, Michael, now remember, now my job is done. But when you are ready for your practical exams, 3 days before, call me again. Again, I will give you some things you have to read, some things you have to watch, and then I'll speak with you just 1 hour before your exam. I guarantee you, first try, you'll get your that main license also, okay? So if you need my guidance, I will give you till the end. So it's not my job, but I like to see my students successful. I never leave them halfway. I'll tell them all the way till the end. If you need me, I'll be there, okay?
No problem, sir. I will do just that. I even have a car, sir. I have a car. I'll be driving.
Very good. All right.
In Italy, yeah. So thanks a lot. I will call you when it's done.
All right. Bye-bye. Take care.